Financial freedom. What exactly is this financial freedom they always talk about? And how do you achieve it? Hello, my name is Olawale Iyinolakan of Brief Design Workshop Series. I help people navigate the often difficult landscape of the real estate and property world. If this is your first time, be sure to subscribe and click that bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any of the free stuff that I bring you every week. So, financial freedom is what you get after your income, after taxes, is higher than your expenses. It really is that simple. There are tons of ways for people to achieve financial freedom. But as you might already guess, I choose to do it through the most sustainable way ever, through property investing. Personally, I am on my way to achieving this, but I can say for sure that I have a lot of mentors who have achieved financial freedom through property investing. In this society, it takes a bit of discipline. You need to shave off the flossing, you need to remove all the ashwebi, and then look at that number that you need to hit that tells you that you must be financially stable after you reach this number. It really is a pretty short video this week, but I hope with this short video I've been able to hit that nerve on the inside of you that lets you start thinking of when you will be financially free. My name is Olawale Iyinolakan of Brief Design Workshop Series. Good afternoon.